Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the recents. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. Here we've got the recents. All you have to do to close them all is to basically tap on close all. You can also turn them off manually one by one just by swiping them up. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, it's more convenient to simply tap on close all. And now we just got back to the recent, to the home page. We can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recently used apps, which means that we just successfully closed all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.